Big story we are breaking at this hour. We are picking up as a man has entered Parliament building by jumping over the wall with the help of a tree. This happened at 6:30 this morning. He reached the Garuda gate of the new Parliament building by jumping over the wall from the Rail Bhavan side. The security present in Parliament building has caught the accused and is interrogating him. We're going straight across to Himanshu for more details on that in a moment from now. But this clearly is a huge security breach in Parliament. We're reporting on today, though it happened at 6:30 in the morning. He reached the Garuda gate of the new Parliament building by jumping over the wall from the Rail Bhavan side. The big question is, how did this happen even when this Parliament is not in session? Though it's a big security breach that's happened in Parliament. The security present in Parliament at that point in time caught the accused. And what we're learning is that he's getting interrogated as we speak. Some sketchy details coming in. But a man jumped over a wall and entered the Parliament premises is what we are learning at 6:30 this morning. I'm going straight to Himanshu for more details. Himanshu, ये एक बहुत ही massive बड़ा security breach है. Details क्या हैं आपके पास?
देखिए बिल्कुल एक मैसिव सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच है और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि सुबह 6:30 बजे के करीब जो है ये व्यक्ति जो है पेड़ के सहारे जो है वो पार्लियामेंट की दीवार फांद कर गरुड़ द्वार की तरफ पहुंचता और उसके बाद जो है सिक्योरिटी इस व्यक्ति को पकड़ती है और उसके बाद इनसे पूछताछ की जा रही है, इनका मोटिव क्या है, ये कहाँ से आए हैं और ऐसा इन्होंने क्या क्यों किया। इससे पहले भी हमें मालूम है कि संसद भवन में भी जो सदन है लोकसभा उसमें भी जो है एक व्यक्ति पहुंचे थे और उन्होंने उसके बाद जो है जो कुछ किया था हम सब जानते हैं। वहां पे एक कलर उड़ाने की कोशिश की थी उन्होंने और उसके बाद उनको पकड़ा गया था। खैर उस वक्त वो एक सांसद के रिकमेंडेशन पे उनका पास बना था। एक बड़ी सुरक्षा के अंदर इसे चूक देख सकते हैं क्योंकि पूरी जो इस वक्त की सुरक्षा है वो इस वक्त जो है पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के पास है और ऐसे में कहीं ना कहीं ये जरूर है कि देखा जाएगा ये व्यक्ति कौन है, इसका मोटिव क्या है। बाकी इंक्वायरी जो है दिल्ली पुलिस भी उनसे कर रही है, लेकिन अभी सीसीटीवी की फुटेज भी खंगाली जा रही है पार्लियामेंट में कि ये व्यक्ति कैसे पेड़ से चढ़ा और कैसे दीवार को फांदा, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फेंसिंग भी वहां पर है दीवार के ऊपर। तो ये एक बड़ा नामुमकिन सा काम था, लेकिन जिसको मुमकिन करने का काम इस व्यक्ति ने किया है। तो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस जरूर इस चीज को देखेंगे और आने वाले दिनों में हो सकता है कि जो संसद भवन की सुरक्षा है, जो सिक्योरिटी है, उसको और जो है मजबूत किया जाए जिससे इस तरीके की घटना कभी ना हो। क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि कल ही संसद के जो मानसून सेशन था वो सैनिटाइज हुआ है। अगर ये घटना कल हुई होती तो कोई अप्रिय घटना भी हो सकती थी या ये भी अभी तक जानकारी लेने की कोशिश है कि कोई इनके पास हथियार तो नहीं था इस व्यक्ति के पास। ये सारी चीजें जो
हिमांशु बने रहिए हमारे साथ। I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Piyush Mishra is also with us. Piyush, this is a massive security breach, and like Himanshu was pointing out, it's not the first time. The session has, in fact, the session has ended. The monsoon session has ended. You know, had this incident been reported yesterday, it would have really caused just so much stress and so much anxiety among these highly protected members of parliament. I mean, how at the end of the day has a man managed to jump into the complex, into the parliament building, using a tree?
Well, that's right. It's a very big security breach which has now been, because now comes to the force, and now what we are learning is that yesterday a man entered in Parliament building by jumping over the wall with the help of a tree. And this incident happened at around 6:30 a.m. and he reached the Garud Dwar. There are around 5 gates to the entry point of Parliament, and Garud Dwar is also one of the important points of the entry to the new Parliament building. And the man was able to reach there to the new Parliament building by jumping over the wall from the Rail Bhavan side. Now, what we are told is that the security was on alert, and the security person who were present there in the Parliament, they caught him, and the man has now been handed over to CISF, and the further interrogation is going on. Remember that after the security breach took place in Parliament, in the new Parliament building, at the time the security was completely given to the CISF, and CISF is responsible for taking care of all the security measures in Parliament. Before also we have seen similar sort of incidents taking place, but what we are now learning is that after this incident which has taken place, in Parliament. And the man has been caught and he is being interrogated. The ISF is doing a thorough investigation in this entire case.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. We'll continue to get more details of that big story that we're tracking very closely. It's a big breach as far as the Parliament security is concerned. We have details right now from a man who's entered the complex by jumping over a wall. Sketchy details as of now, but that continues to be, in fact, a top focus story right here. Piyush and Himanshu with those details.